Welcome to Best Choice. The Best Livewell pumps is probably one of the most crucial pieces of equipment for any serious angler. It ensures your bait stays lively and your catch remains fresh, which is vital for a successful fishing trip. In this video, we'll dive deep into the world of Livewell pumps, exploring their importance, how they work, and what features to look for when choosing the perfect one for your boat. Number 5. Attwood Tsunami T500 Aerator Pump, 500 GPH, 12 volt. Introducing the Attwood Tsunami T500 Aerator Pump. This pump is designed with innovative engineering and a compact design, making it perfect for contained spaces. It ensures reliable aeration for your needs. This pump is rated for 500 gallons per hour. It operates efficiently at 12 volts DC. You can count on it to deliver consistent performance. The Tsunami T500 uses premium quality bearings, state-of-the-art brushes, and durable alloys. These materials ensure the pump's longevity and reliability. The patented shaft seal prevents leaks. The wiring is caulked and tinned to eliminate wicking and resist corrosion. This design protects the pump from water damage. The motor cartridge locks securely in place and unlocks for easy cleaning and maintenance. This feature makes it simple to replace components when needed. It features a 3.5-inch long inlet and a threaded 3/4-inch diameter outlet. The 12-volt pump comes with a 29-inch wire for easy installation. What we like. This pump's compact design makes it perfect for contained spaces. It ensures reliable aeration, keeping your Livewell in top condition. If you have limited space on your boat, this is the pump for you. What people say. Pump is still working strongly, smoothly, and quietly. Pump is still running strong and quiet. The pump was quiet and used little power. Number 4. SEAFLO 10 Series 350 GPH Livewell Aerator Kit. Keep your bait and fish lively with this powerful aerator kit. It provides efficient water circulation to oxygenate your Livewell, ensuring they stay in peak condition. The kit includes an adjustable hosepipe and aerator tube. You can trim them for a perfect fit in your Livewell or bait tank. Built to last, this aerator features a corrosion-resistant housing and a moisture-tight seal. It's designed for both fresh and saltwater use, ensuring reliable performance. This kit includes a foam filtration system. This helps maintain water clarity and prevents debris from entering the pump, keeping your bait healthy. Installation is a breeze with the suction cup base and battery clips. Cleaning is also simple, ensuring long-lasting use of the product. Easily convert any cooler or bucket into a functional Livewell. This all-in-one aeration kit is an essential tool for anglers on the go, making it convenient for any fishing trip. What we like. This kit is designed for easy installation and is corrosion-resistant, making it suitable for both fresh and saltwater use. It comes with a foam filtration system for clean water. If you are looking for a portable solution to convert any container into a Livewell, this is the perfect choice. What people say. Works great. This Livewell aerator has been a fantastic addition to my husband's custom-built Livewell on his boat. It's been great quality, and we haven't had any problems with it so far. Easy installation and works great. Number 3. Shoreline Marine Livewell Pump. This pump is fully submersible, designed for reliable performance in marine environments. It ensures continuous operation, keeping your Livewell water clean and fresh. The package comes with all the necessary mounting hardware, making installation straightforward. You can quickly and easily set it up on your boat. It operates on a 12-volt system and is ignition protected for safety. This feature prevents sparks from igniting flammable vapors, providing peace of mind. This pump delivers a powerful 800 gallons per hour flow rate. It efficiently circulates water, maintaining optimal conditions for your live bait. It features tinned marine-grade wire, which resists corrosion in harsh marine conditions. This ensures long-lasting durability and reliable electrical connections. The pump has a stainless steel shaft, enhancing its durability and resistance to wear. This feature contributes to the pump's longevity, even with frequent use. It has a 3/4-inch OD outlet, designed for efficient water discharge. This outlet size facilitates optimal water flow, ensuring that the Livewell functions effectively. What we like. This pump delivers a high flow rate, ensuring efficient water circulation. It is fully submersible and built with marine-grade materials. If you like a reliable and powerful pump for your Livewell, consider this one. What people say. I like that I was able to adjust the bottom of the pump to fit the angle of the entry. Really like the option to change inlet pipe for mounting. Pretty quiet pump. Great through the hull pump that can go 90 degrees down or slightly higher than 45 degrees out the back. And boy does it pump some water to the Livewell and gives great O2. Keeps fish alive all day with this one. Number 2. Cart. Aerator Pump 750 GPH BNT. Introducing the Cart. Aerator Pump 750 GPH BNT. This pump is designed for industrial use. It is a customizable piece of equipment. This pump is built to handle demanding industrial applications. It provides reliable performance. You can customize it to fit your specific needs. The Cart. Aerator Pump 750 GPH BNT offers customization options. This allows you to tailor it to your exact requirements. It ensures optimal efficiency. With a flow rate of 750 GPH, it delivers powerful aeration. It ensures effective water circulation. This is essential for maintaining water quality. The BNT model is known for its durability and performance. It is a reliable choice for various industrial settings. It is built to last. What we like. This pump is customizable and designed for industrial use. It is a great choice for those who need a pump that can be tailored to their specific needs. If you are looking for a pump with industrial-grade quality, this is the one. What people say. The kit comes with a straight fitting or a 90-degree fitting to attach to the Livewell fill hose. They perform great and pump lots of water. The best part about these pumps are that the motor is replaceable in the future without taking the whole pump assembly out and having to reseal it. Number 1. Rule Marine Tournament Series Livewell Pump. This is a great product for keeping your live bait fresh. It is designed to provide reliable performance in harsh marine environments. You can count on it to keep your catch alive and kicking. This pump is part of the tournament series, built for serious anglers. It is engineered for high flow rates and efficient operation. It's a must-have for any serious fishing trip. The pump is built to last, providing consistent water flow. It is made with durable materials to withstand the rigors of the sea. It's a reliable choice for any boater. With this pump, your bait will stay lively longer. It ensures proper oxygenation and water circulation. This helps you catch more fish. The pump is easy to install and maintain. It comes with clear instructions and is designed for hassle-free operation. You'll be up and running in no time. What we like. This pump is part of the tournament series and is a great product. It is designed for serious anglers who demand the best performance. If you are looking for a top-of-the-line pump, you should consider this. What people say. It is a little taller than the one that came out, but it still fit, and it used the same size hoses that were already installed in the boat. It functioned exactly as it was supposed to. The pump itself pumps more than enough water and runs super quiet. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.